An object 4 cm in size is placed at 25 cm in front of a concave mirror of focal length 15 cm. Find position, nature and size of the image. So we will find position, nature and size of the image. So in first step, just you write the given value from this question. So given in this question 4 cm in size means height of the object given 4 cm. So right here 4 cm. Is placed at 25 centimeter means object distance given here 25 centimeter. So right here 25 centimeter. Of focal length 15 centimeter means f value also given here 15 centimeter. Now this is a concave mirror. So after writing this given value, use the sign convention. Now in concave mirror, h value always positive, u value always negative. So right here negative, f value always negative. So right here negative. So from this question we will find the v value and h dash value. So using mirror formula, as we know mirror formula 1 by f equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. So in next step you just place the value f means here minus 15, so right here minus 15 equal to 1 by v, right as it is, so plus 1 by u means here we have minus 25, so right here minus 25. So in next step, I'll bring this 1 by minus 25 left hand side. And if I'll bring 1 by minus 25 left hand side, then this minus will change into plus. So minus 1 by 25 will change into plus 1 by 25 equal to 1 by v. Means this v, 1 by v. Now in next step, I'll take LCM of, so LCM of 15 and 25. So LCM of 15 and 25. 5 3s are 15 and 5 5s are 25. Now to multiply 5 3s are 15 and 15 5s are 75. So right here 75. Now 15 5s are 75. So 5 1s are 5. So right here 5. But we have here minus sign. So right here plus 25 3s are 75. So 3 1s are 3. So right here 3 equal to 1 by v. So minus 5 plus 3 is minus 2. So minus 2 by 75 equal to 1 by v. Now in next step, I'll interchange this value, means 1 by v I'll bring left hand side and minus 2 by 75 I'll write in right hand side. So I need v value, so do reciprocal now. If I'll do reciprocal, then v by 1. So no need to write 1 in denominator. And if I'll do this reciprocal, then 75 by minus 2. Now v equal to, now divide this value. 75 you divide with 2. 2 3s are 6. Do minus 1. So bring this 5 down. 2 7s are 14. So remainder is 1. So this point you use here, so bring here 1 0. So 2 5s are 10. So after dividing, I have got here minus 37.5 centimeter. So this is the value of v, means position of the image. Now remember one thing here, whenever you will get the v value negative answer, then we say the nature of the image is real. And if you get the v value positive answer, then we say the nature of the image is virtual. So here I have got negative answer, so the nature of the image is real. So at last I will write this. Now in next step, I'll find h dash value, and we know magnification formula m equal to h dash by h equal to minus v by u. So in next step, I'll compare these two formulas. So h dash equal to minus v by u, and this h, if you take right side, then it will become multiply h. So h dash equal to minus, now v value we have got here minus 37. So right here minus 37.5. 0.5 into age value we have here, that is 4. So right here 4. Y minus 25 means u value is minus 25. So this minus and this minus cancel. So h dash equal to, if I will to multiply 37.5 into 4, then I will get here minus 150. 150 by 25. Now divide this. 25 ones are 25 and 25 6 are 150. So value of h dash equal to minus 6 centimeter. Means height of the image or size of the image is minus 6 centimeter. So at last now I'll write the nature. As I told you before, if v value negative answer, then the nature of the image is real. Therefore nature of image is real. And we know real images are always inverted. So right here inverted. So finally we have completed the answer for this question. I hope you have understood. Thank you.